Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Bitrix24. This is especially useful if you're working with an international team or simply prefer using the platform in your native language. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Bitrix24 account using your email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you might notice that the interface doesn't immediately show you where to access the language settings. This is where the next step becomes important. To reveal the language options, click on any submenu from the left panel. For example, you can click on Task and Projects. This action will fully load the interface and make the language settings visible at the bottom of the page. Without clicking into one of these sections, you won't be able to see the language selector, so this step is essential. Now that you're inside a submenu, scroll down to the bottom left corner of the page. This is where Bitrix24 places its language settings. You'll notice that the current language name is displayed there, such as English, depending on what your account is currently set to. This placement is consistent across all pages within the Bitrix24 interface, so once you know where to look, you'll always be able to find it quickly. Next, click on the current language name that's displayed in the bottom left corner. This will open a drop-down menu showing you a list of all the available language options that Bitrix24 supports. The list includes a wide variety of languages, so whether you're looking for Spanish, French, German, or any other supported language, you should find it here. From the drop-down list, simply select your preferred language. Click on the language you want to switch to, and Bitrix24 will immediately begin processing your request. At this point, you'll need to wait for the page to refresh automatically. This refresh applies the new language settings across the entire interface, including menus, buttons, and all text elements. The refresh usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while the system updates everything. Once the page has fully refreshed, you'll see that all the text and navigation elements are now displayed in your selected language. This change affects your entire Bitrix24 experience, from task management to communication tools, making it much easier to navigate and collaborate effectively. And there you have it. Your Bitrix24 account is now set to your preferred language, allowing you to work more comfortably and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.